The best thing about the course is the transferable skills that I've kind of come out with. They've really helped me in terms of finding work experience. The studio space I've had access to has really helped develop my portfolio. I wouldn't have chosen anything different. It's just been amazing.
I think with working to live briefs with a client in mind, it helps you be able to go into a job and work in a professional way, straight away.
You can choose any medium and draw in any style that you want and put it on anything. Literally, surface is everything.
So when I started in the first year, I was quite nervous about my work, and I feel like it's really drawn my confidence within the colour.
The way it prepares you for your career and what you're going to do after uni is just amazing, because I know lots of other degrees don't prepare you as much, and I think this one really does. I've come such a long way in the last 2 years, and I've learned so much, and yeah, I'm really pleased with how my work's come out.